Manufacturers just never seem to make a one-size-fits-all type of thing. For example, I love my PGY Tech camera backpack, but sometimes it's just a bit too much for non-camera related activities. I know it's a weird ask, but if I could potentially get a backpack that is big enough to be a duffel bag, convenient enough to roll around like a luggage bag, but light enough not to feel like concrete, life would be good, especially when I'm traveling. This is where the Bagsmart Blast Roller Bag comes into play. With 43 liters of storage, that should be more than enough for what I need without actually being overkill. By default, whenever I travel on a daily basis, I usually have a laptop, a nice pair of headphones or earbuds, a camera, some lenses, cables, power banks, and then the rest is just for ha-has. If I'm going on a trip where I won't be home for the night, I usually pack a few days worth of clothing and essentials. I like to think that I don't overpack, but my bag tends to say otherwise. That's why it's good to have 43 liters of storage. Because the Bagsmart Blast Roller Bag, okay, that's a mouthful, so we're going to call it the BBR moving forward. Because the BBR is built to be hybrid, there's a million ways for you to pack up weeks worth of clothing, essentials, bring all your toys, and not have to worry about destroying your back, wrist, or shoulder because you can rotate between your carrying options. You can go hands-free by wearing it like a backpack, roll it around like it's your luggage, and even carry it like a professional suitcase. Because the BBR has millions of storage options in and outside of it, you can pick up some goodies along the way and still have some places to put them. The material is surprisingly premium with its nylon exterior, water-resistant zippers, soft interior fabric, which offers some reassurance when it comes to protection. The wheels, although kind of small, they don't feel flimsy. They can handle some rugged surfaces and even has covers to prevent it from rubbing on your back when you're in backpack mode. When you're home from your travels, nothing's worse than unpacking all of your stuff and then having to make a spot to store your luggage, but not the BBR. Because of its form factor and design, you can easily fold it up by removing the internal support rods. Though I really like this bag, it is a bit heavier and bigger than your standard duffel or backpack. I can see this being a problem only if you plan on carrying it for about 80% of your day and potentially fitting it underneath your seat when you're on an airplane, depending on how much you pack, of course. Personally, I think this bag is ideal for someone who is looking for a single travel bag that you can pack up to 2 weeks of stuff for. You have options on how you choose to carry it across your house, across the street, through the airport, and it has plenty of large to small storage compartments. With all of the travel I'll be doing in the coming months, the BBR is exactly what I've been looking for. Now, if you're interested in getting yourself a BBR upgrade, I've listed the link below in the descriptions, and you can actually even save some money to splurge on other cooler things if you use my discount code as well. So next time, it's been fun, happy travels, have fun packing, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks.